Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've already put my foundation and primer on, and we're just going to jump right into the eyes. For eyes, I'm going to be going into my BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using this little light orangey color, and I'm just going to be putting that into my crease. This is going to be more of like a tropical sherbet ice cream kind of look, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. And I really like the tone of this. It wasn't too yellowy, not too orangey. It was kind of like in the middle, and I really loved it for this look. For lids, I'm going to be going back into that palette, and I'm going to be using this pinkish reddish kind of color. I really wanted to intensify my eye color today, so I'm going to be putting this all over my lid and building it up to as much as I like to, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that color right into my crease, but not taking it too much above my transition color that I used already. For concealer, I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Paris Visible Lift. I'm super obsessed with this, and I just recommend this for anybody. But don't get me wrong, you guys, because I am going to be going and trying out that Tarte concealer because I heard it is bomb. For contouring today, I'm going to be going in with my LA Colors contour stick and my e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going to be using this light brown powder shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw my contour stick on my face, and then I'm going to use the powder from the e.l.f. palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to blend those two colors together just to blend out my contour a little bit more. For my under eyes, I'm just going to go in with all three of those colors that I used earlier, and I'm just going to put those under my eye just to make more definition. For mascara, you guys know that I'm going in with my Great Lash by Maybelline New York. Super obsessed, must have. Guys, let me just explain to you about lashes. Like, it may look easy, but them shits is hard. For lips, I'm going to be going in with this lipstick from e.l.f. and this is actually in the color Flirty and Perky Pink. For highlight, you guys know that I'm going to be going in with my Strobe Profusion palette. This palette is freaking amazing, like super pigmented, super shiny, like a little bit goes a long way, but you know I have to go deep on my highlight, girl. To highlight my brow bone, I'm just going to be going in with the same palette that I use to highlight my cheeks. And to finish off this look, I'm going to be going in with my Max Fix Plus. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Love you guys.